Hello. So I don't have anything exciting to pick, but I thought I'd make a video anyway. And in the midst of all this sea of crap, I found this, which is an Abus 6240, 40mm. And I thought that would make probably Abus quality lock, so that would make a good video. And then I decided to, okay, let's see if we can put it in the vise the correct way. That'll help. Anyway, I decided to see if I could rake it into a false set and then pick it from there. And I started doing this. And yeah. So, Abus, normally a good quality fun pick. 6240, not so much. And besides that, I only have these tiny little locks, a tiny Yale and a tiny Cocraft, which I don't know, but my hopes aren't high in the quality of these ones. So, but again, they're the only ones I have, so maybe I can turn them into a sort of this is junk series of locks. There we go. So, Cocraft 30mm, that's rakeable. Abus 6240 is rakeable. And then we have a Yale. And a tiny little Yale has one problem. It has a tiny little Yale keyway. So that's obviously not going to fit. Can't use top of the keyway. Can use that. But can we rake it? It would appear we can't, or can we? No. Okay, that camera angle is just not working, is it? Sorry about that. Let's see if it's pickable then. Oh, look at that, I broke my first pick. Ink. My favorite pick, god damn it. Well, I have another one. And we have an open. And the cool thing is, this little Yale, without a model number, has security pins. The Abus 6240 is rakeable and has standard pins. You go figure it out. And that's pretty much all I have. Now this thing, no brand thing, let's see what we can do with that. Let's go with bottom of the keyway again, just because, well, because fuck you. Can it be raked? No. And there we go. So, that's no better either. But it does work, and it is an old brand shitty padlock. And that's all I have for now. Well, I have this one. But since I don't want to make a 62-hour long video that ends up with a lot of cursing, this one will have to wait. It is a Tri-Wing 5652 coming up in the future. See ya!